Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log in to a Joe bank account. First, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type canada.ca and press enter. This will take you to the official Canada website. Once the page loads, look at the top of the website. You will see a menu button. Click on it to open the main navigation menu. From the menu options, find and select Jobs and the Workplace. This section contains all job-related services offered by the Government of Canada. After that, a sub-menu will appear. On the right side of this sub-menu, look for Joe Bank and click on it. This will open the official Joe Bank page. Now go to the top right corner of the page. You will see a Sign In option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the type of account you want to sign into. You can select Job Seeker if you are looking for a job, or Employer if you are posting jobs or managing hiring. After selecting your account type, you will be taken to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the email field. Next, type your password carefully in the password field. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, and check that caps lock is off if needed. Once both details are entered correctly, click on the Sign In button to access your Joe Bank account. If the details are correct, you will be successfully logged in and taken to your dashboard where you can search for jobs or manage your account. Thank you for watching.